Chapter 1. History of Computers. Introduction. Computers are everywhere and we all use them. They are in watches, games and even in car keys. Who invented them? What did the first computer look like? The golden age of computers began with the digital revolution. But people have been using computers in their daily lives since the beginning of civilization. In this chapter, we will learn in details about the history of computers. History of computers. The history of computers began with simple adding devices. Milestones in the 20th century included the invention of the transistor and the development of the microprocessor, which led to the modern-day computer. In ancient times, when numbers and calculation methods were not evolved, then people used many techniques for counting. Let us learn about the amazing journey from earlier machine like abacus to the present era computer. Abacus. One of the earliest machines designed to assist people in calculations was the abacus, which is still being used some 5,000 years after its invention. An abacus, also known as a counting frame, is a calculating tool with beads that slide across on wires or rods. It was used in the ancient times for calculating numbers through basic arithmetic system. The abacus is used for doing simple arithmetic. It allows you to perform basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Did you know? Abacus was invented around 2600 BC in China. Napier's bones. In the year 1617, Napier's bones were invented by John Napier, a Scottish mathematician and scientist. Napier's bones, also called Napier's rods, are numbered rods made with strips of wood or bone side by side. There are 9 different bones or strips present with numbers on Napier's bones, which can be used to perform multiplication of any number by a number 2 to 9. Important. Blaise Pascal invented his numerical wheel calculator called Pascaline in 1642. Pascal adding machine. A French scientist, Blaise Pascal, designed the first mechanical adding machine in 1642. The Pascaline was considered as the first mechanical calculator in the world. The machine had a wheel with marking from 0 to 9. It could only perform addition and subtraction. The machine is sometimes called Pascal's calculator. It was much better and faster than Napier's bones. Leibniz calculator. In 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm Freiherr von Leibniz modified the Pascal calculator. He developed a machine called Leibniz calculator, which could perform various calculations based on multiplication and division as well. It was also capable to find out the square roots. Babbage analytical engine. The analytical engine was a mechanical computer that could solve any mathematical problem. It was invented by Charles Babbage, an English scientist in 1833. It uses punch cards similar to those used by the Jacquard loom and can perform simple conditional operations. For this great invention of the computer, Sir Charles Babbage is also known as the father of the computer. He used many new principles to make the machines work faster and accurately. The principles on which this machine was based were so sound that these are still used. Important. Charles Babbage was a famous mathematician and inventor. He originated the concept of a programmable computer. He is called the father of computer. Hollerith tabulating machine. An American, Herman Hollerith, developed the first electrically driven device around 1890. It utilized punched cards and metal rods which passed through the holes to close an electrical circuit and thus caused a counter to advance. This machine was called punched card tabulating machine. Harvard Mark I. The Harvard Mark I was an electromechanical computer developed by Howard Aiken at Harvard University and built by IBM in 1944. The computer was 55 feet long, 8 feet high and weighed 5 tons. It was the first series of computers designed by Aiken. The Harvard Mark I read instructions via paper taper. It was also known as the IBM Automatic Sequence Controlled Calculator, ASCC. ENIAC. ENIAC, Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator, was the world's first electronic general-purpose computer. It was digital and fully programmable computer. ENIAC was capable of doing more than 5,000 additions and subtractions in a second and solved large number of complex mathematical problems in a very short time. EDVAC. EDVAC, Electronic Discrete Variable Automatic Computer, was one of the earliest large mainframe computers that was built in the 1940s. It was invented by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly. EDVAC was the first mainframe computer that represented binary systems rather than decimal systems and was a stored program machine. This allowed programs to be read into the computer and so gave birth to the age of general-purpose computers. UNIVAC. In 1951, Eckert and Mauchly designed another computer called the UNIVAC, Universal Automatic Computer. It was the first computer to be sold to business houses. UNIVAC contained 5,400 vacuum tubes and used magnetic tapes to give instructions to the 1. Fill in the blanks.